Hi guys, Paul here again. Right, we're just going to run through your website basically and show you all the different elements and explain the different pages and different functions. So you've signed up, you've chosen your domain name, we've sorted that out for you and the logo. Once that's all done, usually within 3 days, you're going to get presented with a site very similar to the one we're looking at now for Spanish new homes. Just as an update, we're bringing out new designs in the next few weeks, and we intend in version 2 of the dashboard to add a page builder where you can change some of the elements of the site, some of the colours, so you'll have a lot more control over how your site looks and feels to make it more individual. Okay, but that again is in version 2. If I just run through the home page for you in its entirety, and then we'll drill down to some of the other pages. Okay, we first presented with nice big images, nice lifestyle shots of Spain, trying to sell the dream there of Spanish property. A contact number at the top. Obviously this is a dummy site, so a dummy phone number. Easy to navigate menu at the top there. Links to your Facebook page, if you provided one for us, multi-language through Google Translate, and a quick click there to email yourselves. These link through to search results for new builds and resales, links again to about you guys, and the contact for your relevant site there. Articles we're bringing on in the next few weeks. We're going to give you the blogging facility in version 2 of the Span dashboard, where you can add blog posts and things like that to your site. That also helps with the SEO side of things. So let's go back to the home page. Nice big image of you say, selling the lifestyle there. The main search bar is underneath the imagery. Here you'll be able to drill down and do really specific searches for your clients. It's where we do a lot of our searches on the front end as well. We're just drilling down, the little information section there, and then of course a list of property. Now this list of property is auto-generated. Also, if a client comes back, we press F5 to refresh the page, you'll see that the properties have changed. So every time a client comes to your site, they'll see fresh property basically. It keeps the site new and fresh and interesting for the clients. As we scroll down, we've got our feature property. Now we set this in the back end for you. This is the property that we want to push for that week or for that month, and we'll tell you the reasons for that. We usually send you an email saying please push this property. It's because it's one that we've taken on directly, or more than likely it's one with some really nice commission for everyone involved, and they're usually the new builds that have got the best commissions in. So we set that for you. Again, a nice looking feature there. And then the footer widgets, property of the month, usually is reflecting the property we want to push at the moment. Then the About Us section that you filled out in the back end there. This is our currency exchange partner, Currencies Direct, and some contact info for yourselves. We've also added a back to top button there for easy navigation for the client. So okay, we'll do 2 things. We'll show you the section. So this is the home page. Then in any property site, you have a home page, a search results page, a property detail page, and then what we call the information pages, which are the articles about us and the contacts. So they're the main elements of any real estate website. So we've looked at the home page. We'll now look at a search results page by clicking new builds. And what that's going to return is a search of all the new builds that we've got on the site currently. It's produced a nice map of where they are in Spain, and you can again drill into that to see the relevant areas. If we go down, it tells you how many results are there, and of course that's the search results page for the new builds. So let's pick this one. We're now on what we call the property detail page, which is the detail of the property. It speaks for itself really. So there's the information for that particular property. You scroll down, there's the imagery. It opens up in Lightbox, and you can scroll through the plans. New builds, it's very tricky to get a lot of imagery from new builds because some are off plan. we do as best we can to provide as much information, and this one's got some quite nice imagery selling the course around it and things like that. Obviously these particular properties are off plan, so you get computer generated images of how they're going to look when they're finished. As we scroll down, we've got a search bar on the side as normal. This is a link to our mortgage partner. We can provide mortgage and currency exchange. And of course for the property there's the description and the features and a property map. Now what we'd hope is that clients who direct to your site are interested in that particular property, and they would submit their leads here. So let's go through it. We've got ourselves Paul, a very good name, and this is testing again. Paul at testingagain.com. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Message. Test. Message from Paul. Testing again. Okay, and then we've got some tick boxes there if the client's interested in saving manual currency transfers, or if they're interested in Spanish mortgage, they can click both of those. And then of course we've got a verification code, try and stop the spam emails, very tricky, constant battle for us trying to stop spam emails. And then there's the send message. And there's a notification at the top there that your message has been received, so the client knows that they've received the message. And that's the process, really. It's quite simple. Everyone's really used to it. You search for a property. If you're interested, you'll submit a lead from the property detail page. Same with the resales. This is going to bring you up a search result of all the resale property we have. And you'll see from the map that we've got property in the north of Spain now. We've got some of the Canary Islands, but mainly we're around the Costa Blanca region at the moment. We're building up property along the Costa del Sol, Costa Almeria here, and all round. That's coming on in the next few weeks and months as we make more collaboration agreements up and down the coast of Spain. But again, there's your search results page, and it works exactly the same. The About Us section, you would have filled in on the back end of the form, and the Contact Us section for you. If a client puts in a message for you here, you get a copy, it goes forward as a lead as well into your SPAN dashboard. The articles, we're bringing that on very soon with the SEO side of it. We're going to give you the ability to create your own blog posts, and that'll again be in the SPAN dashboard. We'll give you ideas for the blog posts, and we'll provide you with blog posts that you can use and change, all to help build the uniqueness of your site and to help with the SEO functions. Now, a couple of things about the sites themselves. Each site has its own domain name, obviously. We've registered each site with its own Google Analytics account and its own Google Maps API and its own Facebook Open Graph account. So everything is being organised for your particular site to be SEO ready and friendly, ready to share on social media and all things like that. So we've really tried our best to make them as individual as possible, and like I've mentioned, in the coming weeks and months, in version 2 of the SPAN dashboard, you'll be able to do a lot more to the sites to make them individually yours. Okay guys, thanks very much.